Unraveling the Power of Prevail, a guide to understanding its meaning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the word prevail. This is a word that you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations, and it carries a powerful meaning. So, let's dive in and explore what prevail really means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The word prevail is a verb, and it generally means to win or succeed, especially in the face of difficulties or challenges. When someone or something prevails, they are overcoming obstacles and emerging victorious. Here's an example to help clarify. Despite facing numerous challenges, the small village prevailed against the powerful storm. In this sentence, prevailed is used to describe the village's success in surviving and overcoming the storm. Prevail can be used in various contexts, and understanding these will help you use the word more effectively. 2.1 In legal and formal settings. In legal or formal settings, prevail might be used to describe winning a case or succeeding in a dispute. The lawyer worked tirelessly to ensure that justice would prevail. 2.2 In personal challenges. Prevail can also be used when talking about personal or inner challenges. No matter what life throws at her, she always manages to prevail. 2.3 In social and historical contexts. When discussing social issues or historical events, prevail might describe overcoming societal challenges or outdated beliefs. In the end, the civil rights movement prevailed, bringing about much-needed change. There are also some common phrases and idioms that use the word prevail. 3.1 Truth will prevail. This phrase is often used to express the belief that, in the end, honesty and integrity will overcome deception. 3.2 Might prevails. This phrase is used in situations where force or power is the determining factor in who wins or succeeds. And there we have it, a comprehensive look at the word prevail. We've explored its meanings, the various contexts in which it can be used, and some common phrases that feature this powerful word. Remember, understanding the nuances of English words and phrases is a crucial part of mastering the language, and prevail is a great example of a word with depth and versatility. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope this video has helped you in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.